I'm at Seaton Creek Preserve. There's the map. That's where I am right now. Heading to by the yellow trail all over here. Then I'm gonna take the red trail, heading back. I'm not sure how many miles it's gonna be, but it's gonna be fun. It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day to be out here. Seaton Creek is a very peaceful place. Nobody's here. And the other side, we're heading that way. So basically, Houston Creek Trail heads left, and Blue Trail, which is the main trail, goes right. I think I'm gonna take a main trail, that way I can get more miles in. Actually the trail turns left, but I'm gonna check out this pond here. Maybe there are some birds. No birds. Okay, back to the trail. Can't leave my camera behind. The main trail heads this way. I came from there. I totally enjoy being out in the nature. That's my thing. That's really well maintained trail. It's more like a road. I like it. Such a beautiful day today. The funny thing is that in Florida we can experience all 4 seasons in one day. 7 o'clock in the morning it can be cold in 30s or 40s, just like winter. 10 o'clock, maybe 11 o'clock, it's like a spring or fall. You take layers off. And afternoon it's hot like a summer in the 80s. Can you imagine? Actually, there's a long cut. It says long cut. It must be long. I like long trails. I can hike more. Little pond. It's kind of dirty. What about the other side? No water, just a little bit. It's well maintained. Looks nice. 2.1 miles in, hiked so far 46 minutes. I don't know how many miles it's gonna be, but I have plenty of time. Pretty cool. That's where I came from, and that's where I'm heading. Nice looking trails, but no one is really coming here. I've never seen people here. Long cut, it continues from here. Houston Creek and long cut, going to Houston Creek Trail. That's the yellow trail. just saw a blue-headed video. There's a black and white warbler. What else we have here? All kinds of stuff is lying around. All right, it's time to go. The trail has changed now. Look at that. Mostly oak trees. Beautiful here. Look at that. Yeah, pretty nice. It's a beautiful section. Look at all those palmettos. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Pretty cool. So, I'm here. There's the armadillo. Running away. Anyway, this is a Seaton Creek. Pretty nice. It's such a nice place. Look at that. Beautiful. It's a Seaton Creek. Alright, time to head back. I think it's like a couple of miles, maybe less. Beautiful day to be out there. Yeah, I'm hiking right now at Seaton Creek Preserve. That's near our airport. Okay, see you then. Bye. Anyway, that was Mike. He's my birding buddy. We're birding every Sunday. This time we're gonna head to St. Mark's. It's about a 2.5 hour drive. So it's pretty far out, but it's an excellent place for birding. So, I'm back.